DC Tashi Gelson was called upon by delegation of Young Srit Committee of His Eminence Choste Togdan Rinpoche Memorial Committee to discuss several issues and to formally request the construction of a memorial sal in honor of the revered Rinpoche. The committee highlighted the significance of preserving his teachings and legacy through the proposed memorial sal, which could serve as a lasting tribute to his spiritual guidance and contributions to society. The Deputy Commissioner Leh Santosh Sukhdev convened a meeting to review the telecom saturation in Leh district. Councillors and managers of telecom network briefed the Deputy Commissioner about the upcoming projects and the ongoing projects in the Nubra and Changthang region. They also talked about the construction of towers in non-network areas. DC Leh instructed the managers of Airtel, BSNL and Jio to submit a weekly report on every Saturday about the projects and construction and installation of towers. He further directed the manager BSNL and PACE, the executing contractors, to ensure installation of towers as per priority fixed by concerned councillors. Ladakh Gazetted Aspirants Chief Coordinator Leaf Padma Stenzin and Apex Body Youth Coordinator Stenzin Chospel meet with newly elected President LBA Youth Jigmat Rafistan and discuss issues related to gazetted post, particularly residence criteria, early recruitment in UT Ladakh and creation of separate recruitment board for Ladakh. He assured to give his full support to the burning issues of gazetted recruitment. A delegation led by BJP Vice President Nawang Samisten Ledin, along with President Leh Phu Culture and Welfare Society Stenzin Namgyal and President Leh Phu Gochak Choste Society and others, in the presence of Deputy Chairman Siring Angchuk and Executive Councillor Tashi Namgyal Yagzi, the delegation expressed their heartfelt gratitude to the CC on behalf of entire Leh Phu community for allocating funds under the district budget for various projects. Government Higher Secondary School Khaltase hosted the closing ceremony of zonal level inter-school tournament. The tournament was organized by District Youth Service and Sports Department Leh, in which 18 schools participated in the tournament. Principal GHSS Khaltase Sivang Paljor was the chief guest, while Zonal Education Officer Khaltase Sonam Dolkar was the guest of honor on the occasion. Chief guest Sivang Paljor highlighted that this tournament was an opportunity for the schools to identify the talented students so that they can participate in the national level tournaments.